Hi, uh, welcome to Transglobal Geomatics. We are a mapping company and a GPS tracking company specialized in providing solutions GPS with a camera, GPS with the fuel sensors, GPS with the temperature sensor, and we working with the majority of the industry verticals in providing complete end-to-end solutions. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the geofences, how to create the geofences, and so let's get into our portal. Yes, our portal is tggtracking.com. The moment you enter your tggtracking.com, you will be asked to provide the credentials, and you take these credentials from your supervisor, and the moment you log in here, you can see this the vehicles in the left hand panel, where you can see the vehicles, each vehicles on its registration number. In this particular video, I'm talking about more on geofences. I've already covered the monitoring and tracks in my previous videos. You can visit them on our website. And now coming to the geofences, geofencing is nothing but some kind of marking of your customer place on a Google map. Now here, coming to the geofence, click on the geofences, and now we have 2 to 3 modes of creating the geofences. One is the geofence, where you can create a geofence basing on the such criteria. Let us get into the tools and just say address, and choose your map provider as a Google, and just say any area, whatever you want to create the geofence, wherever you want to create the geofence. Let us take it as an Panjagutta, Hyderabad. The moment you type, the Google will provide you the options. So it takes you to the nearby area from the Panjagutta area. Now see, I'm at a Panjagutta area. Imagine that I want to create a geofence over here. Just say new. So see here, the moment I've searched it, see, I have searched for this place. It has taken me to this particular spot. So you can pull it over or move or whatever you want to do it. Imagine that I want to create a geofence at VND Residence or Happy Homes Apartments or any cat zone. This is the one. Imagine this is my customer place. Now, once I have this particular one, just click new on the left hand side. See, I'm taking you once again. I have just opened my search from the tools, where I have opened my address. The moment I click on the address, it takes you to this particular screen where you need to take the option of Google and search whatever the area you want to take, Panjagutta. Okay, the moment you search it, type it, it gives an options. Let us take this and takes you to the nearby location. And from that nearby location, you can pan to the area, whatever the industry interest of your client's location, search it properly. And now coming to this particular one, now so you see this is the option where it is showing me the Panjagutta. Now pull it to this particular one, double click here. So this is the location which is showing me now. Now I want to create a geofence over here. Just click on new, and now we have an option of polygon, line and circle. Now I want to create a geofence with a polygon. 1, click, double click it here. 2, double click it here. 3 and 4. There you go. So you got the geofence. Name it as Officers Colony, something like this, and just click save. Hope it's clear for you, right? And the other way of creating a geofence, click it here, new, and instead of a polygon, I want to go with a line. I want to create this as a geofence. Just double click it here, double click it here. So this is the geofence, one of the types of geofence. Clear for you? And you name your geofence. So the moment the vehicle enters this particular place, if you need a notification, so you will be getting a notification like the vehicle has entered into the particular zone, Birla Sun Life plant or something like that. Hope it's clear for you. So now let's clear this, and if I want to create a new geofence with the help of a circle, click it here And imagine this is my customer place which I want to create the fence, and you define your perimeter. It is showing 628 meter. Just double click it here. You got it, your geofence ready. If you're not happy here, you can mention, or you can reduce, or whatever you want to reduce it, you can reduce that particular thing. So I can make it as 60, or if I want to reduce it to 40, so you can do that. Hope it's clear for you. You need to save it. Here I'm not saving it because I'm already in the official login here, so I'm not saving it here. But if you want to create a geofence, the moment you come to a particular customer place, and you need to save it. Clear for you? Right. This is the one mode through which you can create the fence here. Now in the second mode, I want to create the geofence, but I'm not sure about the place and address where I can create my customer's place as a geofence. Now you know how to create the tracks in my previous video. You can refer to the tracks, how to play back the tracks. So let us take this particular example, this particular vehicle. So from 11 to 23.58, I know that my customer place where it is. Otherwise you do this way also, you can able to do it. Click onto the monitoring and come to this particular point. Imagine that you know that the customer, your vehicle is in the customer place right now. So double click on the vehicle. It takes you to the spot where it is. Okay, see this vehicle is in the stop location. It's stopped. So double click it here. So the vehicle is here. I'm sure that the vehicle is waiting on the customer site. So once it reaches the customer site, you can ask the driver to intimate you, saying that the vehicle has reached the customer place, so that you can create the geofence based on the current position. Now the vehicle is here, this particular spot 7878. Okay, and you can switch to the maps, different maps you can see. Right, you can switch to for get a better clarity on the location. And now let us get into the geofences and create just say new. Okay, and now click it here, one this way, one mode. If you want a circle, you can go for that. If you say you don't want to go for a circle, if you want a square, polygon, 1 2 3, go. This is how you can create this geofence. There's a second, we call it as a reverse tracking. The moment you know, like the vehicle is already waiting at the customer's place, so you can create that particular customer place easily by double clicking on it. I'll show you the second method which I am talking about. Come to the monitoring and you talk to your driver where the vehicle is right now. If he says like the vehicle is waiting at the customer spot, just double click on it. It takes you to the spot wherever it is. Okay, for better clarity, you can switch to hybrid or views. This is the one, and you can switch to the hybrid view. Right, I'm sure now the vehicle is waiting at my customer site, so I'm sure about my customer spot. Now get into the geofences and just say new. Okay, and name the geofence as some customer name, Loda HYD or something like that, and just choose go for a polygon or circle or line option, and there you go. So you just say save. Your geofence is ready. Hope it's clear. This is the second mode which I've shown you. Now imagine that my customer is asking me to fence it, so I can generate the tracks. For example, let us take this particular vehicle and just say yesterday. You're generating this particular one, so you know that your vehicle has visited your customer yesterday. Okay, before creating this with the tracks of history, be careful, twice and thrice talk to the customer, ensure that it is there. So this is the place where he has parked the vehicle for a long time, or he has stopped the vehicle for a long time. I'm creating the geofence basing on the parking and the stop condition of the history. at the tracks of yesterday's. See this here. So the vehicle has stopped it here. 39 minutes. So let us take this is maybe a customer spy location. Okay, and now you can create it and then click on Geofences and click on new. Okay, if you, for a better quality, a better understanding, you can switch to the streets. If you hard, so because it gives you more clarity on the addresses, that's the basic reason I'm moving to the street view. And now Geofence, or name it Hari Gopal Constructions, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Hope it's clear for you. That's how. So see, I've shown you now how to create the geofences in 3 modes. One is tools, and you go to address, type your address. First select your Google one, address source as a Google, and select your address, whatever you want to search it, a nearby area, and takes you to the spot where you can create the geofences. That's the one mode. The second mode, I've shown you how to create the geofences basing on the current location. Means current location. So let us say take this particular vehicle is stopping somewhere. Just double click it here. It takes you to the spot. Takes you to the spot. This is the spot where it is. So you can talk to the driver and confirm that the vehicle is standing at the customer's place. So here click on the geofences, click new, and name the geofence. As simple as that. Done. Just save it. Your geofence is ready. Right. And the third option is creating the geofence from the history, from the tracks. So here for this particular vehicle, right, and you can create, just say yesterday. It shows you the whole movement of the vehicle. So you'll get to know like where the vehicle has stopped for more than 10-15 minutes, which shows as a parking level. You can get to that particular spot. You can drag and pull it over a pan as per your convenience, and so ensure that this is the one. And now click on the geofences and click on new and create the geofence. Hope it's clear for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and so you can reach us for any technical queries. Please dial 9963635858, and for any sales inquiries you can reach us at 98492 52434 or 9866479962. Thank you so much for watching us.